Today's our topic is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now, what is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Fundamental theorem of arithmetic says that every composite number can be expressed factorized as a product of the prime, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Here it is two words. One is the composite number and one is the prime numbers. What is the difference between these two numbers? I know कि आपने क्लास 6 और 7 और 8 में इनकी डेफिनेशन पढ़ी है, बट वन टाइम वंस अगेन वी हैव रिकॉल्ड इट. कंपोजिट नंबर वो नंबर होते हैं, कंपोजिट नंबर आर दोज नंबर विच हैव मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स, एंड प्राइम नंबर are those number it has only 2 factors, one and number itself. It means कि if you are taking 90, तो 19, the prime factorization of 19 is 19 1 जा 19. It means here it is only 1 multiplied by 19. 19 और किसी के टेबल में नहीं आता है. So it has prime number because it has 2 factors, 1 and number itself. So this is the prime number. Composite number. Composite numbers, suppose we have to take the example of the 12. The prime factor of 12 is 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja and 3 1 ja. Now you have to write it, it is 2 into 2 into 3. So this is composite number because it has more than 2 factors. Suppose here it is 2 3 and 1 because 1 is the multiplication factor of every number. So this is your composite number. So basic difference is this. Again हम लोग fundamental theorem पे आते हैं. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of the prime and their factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factor occurs. Now suppose we have to take the example 30. The prime factorization of the 30 is 2, it is 15 ja, then 3 5 ja and 5 1 ja. Now you have to write it 2 into 3 into 5. According to the fundamental theorem, composite number you have to write in the multiplication of the prime. 2 is the prime number, 3 is also prime number and 5 is also prime number. So these composite number expressed as a product of the prime. That is all the product of the prime numbers. But here it is given that and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Suppose if I will write the prime factorization of these number is 3 into 2 into 5. So this is also the factorization of the 30 because I will change only the arrangement of these digits. Here it is 2 into 3 into 5 and here it is 3 into 2 into 5. But there is given one term unique. What is the meaning of unique? Apart from the order in which the prime factor occur. Suppose if we say that ki just arrange in ascending order, data or numbers arrange in ascending order of the prime numbers, then this is unique because everyone write in ascending order. So as everyone when they are write in ascending order, then these numbers are the prime factors numbers. Thank you.